Hello guys, it's Cowpug Race, and today we're going to be playing some Burping Sim. Guys, guess what? Guess what? Guess what? I got Rebirth! My first one. Well, Mason has 9 now. Mason is way better than me, guys. Let me just say that.
I can't wait to go to the Sky World. Can't talk.
I thought you already went up there, bro.
I watched a video on what it looked like.
But earlier I saw you up there.
That was a cloud. That wasn't the sky. That wasn't where it is.
Oh. How much
That was just a
Rebirth?
normal cloud.
How much Rebirth do you need to have?
9. Oh, 10.
Okay,
You have to have 10.
Just one more Rebirth and you're gonna make it up there!
And a Rebirth and you already made it up there. Nice.
Let me tell you, thing. I'm not big, so it sucks because I wish I was big and I could climb on that Helto tower, but I can't. Thanks for saving me, brother. Balls. Is that guy still there that was
No.
H and U?
His name is, he's this guy in like this rich suit.
Oh, I think I seen that guy. Isn't it something like, I forgot his name. Okay.
I'm gonna do Roblox.
Go subscribe. Bro, have you guys ever seen that thing where it's like, you're like on YouTube Shorts and you're like, oh yeah, you scroll down and then you see, okay, go to my about section and there, voila, you got some Robux. I'm like, what? It's never real. I mean, if you guys believe that, you need some milk. Just go to your nearest Walmart.
Yeah, you need sussy block of milk.
Go to your nearest Walmart. Go get some milk, okay? Same thing for Lanky Box supporters. Hey! Whee! Bro, even the seal head's bigger than me still. And 800. Guys, Mason has like allergies, right? Don't you have allergies?
Yeah.
It sucks. We gotta comment and we gotta subscribe and comment on this video. Pray for Mason. So yeah. So he doesn't die by the coughness. Oh.
Yeah, hopefully I don't die by allergies.
Allergies is a super dangerous thing. We need to get a vaccine for them. He's gonna die from allergies. Let me just say that. So we need. Come on, subscribe. I'm begging you to subscribe. Okay, I'm joking, guys.
Sub to balls.
Sub to balls 46.
Wait, Sam, what if I stand like this?
Oh, that's him, right? Okay, this guy.
I'm just gonna go over.
Maybe he likes the guinea pig. Or you. Oh my god, is he gonna do it? What the heck? Oh my god! Ah! Uh,
Okay, this is getting too sussy.
This is getting weird.
See, I told you.
Bro, why is he doing it?
He just came up to me randomly.
Hey, hey,
Oh,
hey.
Wait, what happens when I drop the soap?
Wait, you seen that meme on G/sus memes? It's just, oh, go prank him, John. And then it's,
Oh yeah.
it's just
Yeah,
that
prank
cat.
him, John, you already know. He dropped the soap, and then you just hear, prank him, John. You already know. Oh.
I saw it where it's this guy and he just, it was strange. It was a cat. Oh.
Yes, Sam, join me in the private server.
It was like a Garfield cat. Like
Cool.
it
Can
was.
you join me in the private server?
Yeah, it's like a Chungus ginormous cat.
I don't care.
What?
Oh my god. Oh my god.
Subscribe.
Sam, now we can be there in peace. Come on. Join.
You can't take one. I forgot the song. Don't beat me. Don't.
What?
It's just the song, like a song. I don't know. I really don't know how to explain it. It's a song. I can explain it.
Sam, bro, can you please join?
I'm joining.
Why does it, bro?
So,
I wonder where he is.
I wonder where you are. Ah!
Did you see that?
Yeah, what just happened?
I just fell through the map. Peekaboo.
Ah! Ah!
Horror movie be like?
Oh yeah, they're just
Hey, how you doing, Loma?
and they're just running like this. Ah! Ah! And they just do this. Come on, let me in! Let me in, Shelly, let me in.
Yeah, stupid.
The giant guinea pig now playing in theaters, rated R. Get your tickets now, playing on Friday. Get your tickets or else we will haunt you. Ba, 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 ba.
Sam, remember how annoying that meme was?
It's actually not too annoying. It's just,
It's the most annoying thing in the world.
it just,
He just does that for 10 hours and gets views off of it.
well,
So you're telling me all we have to do is have an annoying mouth and a carrot haircut and say ba 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 and we get 1 million views?
I will have to agree that was a carrot haircut.
Ba ba ba.
Ba 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 ba.
Okay, Sam, let's go to the Rebirth world.
Rebirth, I wanna be like you. I wanna look at you, talk like you.
Sam, remember the fat rat? Mr. Bombastic.
Biggie Cheese,
And then
Biggie.
that cow comes in.
Yeah, it's just that cow coming in.
Mr. Bump.
Biggie Cheese.
Biggie Balls.
Bro, I was about to say that.
Biggie Balls Jr., Sam.
Biggie Balls.
Biggie Ball Jr. was the reason that balls became a thing.
Hold on, guys. If you guys don't know what Mr. Bombastic is, I'm just gonna play it for you guys. I just lost my mom to suicide. Well, good for you. Look grateful for that. Okay, let me just play it for you guys. Okay, Biggie Cheese. You guys want Biggie Cheese. And they have to play ad. Okay, guys, now subscribe to the channel before the video starts. And yeah, okay, there. There, guys. Fantastic. Fantastic. Smooth.
Is it playing right now, Sam?
Yeah, I'm playing it. You can't hear it.
I can't hear it, surprisingly.
Yeah, it's not like the Chromebook.
Oh, you're on the iPad making a video?
No, I'm not. I'm just playing it on the iPad.
Why'd you say it's not like the Chromebook?
I'm playing it on the iPad, bro.
Oh.
Yeah. I can't let these people just watch some fat rat in a cheese chain sing. Do you guys want to see that? That's what I thought. Actually, no one said anything. Okay, I hit 1,000. Guys.
Hold on, Sam, I'll be back.
Okay. Okay, guys, I just want to say, since Mason is back, I just want to say, hold on, I just want to say thank you so much for 40 subs. It's pretty cool. And cool. Cool. It's cool. I would just say it's cool. It's cool. It's cool. It's cool. It's cool.
I'm back.
Okay.
Sam, should we end the video there?
Yeah. Hope you guys enjoyed this episode. Enjoy your day. And we will see you in our next episode. Bye.
Good luck for your balls.
Yeah.
Good luck for your balls.
Balls. Give it to your balls.
Good luck
And
for your balls, Sam. Stop call.
okay. Hope you guys enjoyed this episode. Bye.